The Credit One Bank American Express card is a popular choice for many, but is it the right one for you? This review will break down the main features, benefits, fees, and drawbacks of the card to help you make an informed decision. So the card offers a straightforward 1% cashback on all purchases. So for every $100 spent, $1 is earned in cashback. However, this cashback is automatically applied as a statement credit with no options to redeem it for travel, gift cards, or checks. Unlike many other credit cards, the Credit One American Express does not offer any sign-up bonus. This can be a downside for those looking to maximize their rewards through initial spending bonuses. If I talk about the benefits of this card, then there are several useful features that come with this card. First, the card supports contactless payments, making transactions faster and more convenient. Second, if your card is lost or stolen and unauthorized charges are made, you won't be held responsible for it. The card offers free online access to your credit score, allowing you to monitor your credit health easily. You can set up alerts for payments due to days, transactions, notifications, and more, helping you stay on top of your finances. If your current payment due date doesn't align with your income schedule, you can change it to more convenient time of the month. Now, if I talk about the APR and fees, the card comes with a high purchase APR of 29.24%, which is above average. This makes it crucial to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid high interest charges. Cash advances are another costly feature with an APR of 29.24% and fees that are either $5 or 8% of the amount advanced, whichever is greater. Cash advances should be avoided unless absolutely necessary due to these high costs. Foreign transaction fees are also applied at either $1 or 3% of each transaction, again, whichever is greater. If you travel frequently, this card may not be the best choice due to these added costs. Additionally, the card has an annual fee of $39. While this is relatively low, it's still a cost that many other cards don't charge. Late or return payment fees can reach up to $39, though there may be some leniency if you call customer service to waive the fee on the first or the second time basis. However, repeated offenses may not be forgiven. So if I talk about the pros and cons of this card in a nutshell, then the pros includes the easier approval with credit scores between 580 to 740, simple 1% cashback on all purchases with no special categories to track. If I talk about the cons, the 1% cashback rate is low as compared to the other cards that offer 1.5% or more. No sign-up bonus, which is common feature among other credit cards. Multiple fees, including foreign transactions fees and an annual fee, reduce the overall value of this card. So, in a summary, the Credit One Bank American Express card may be easy to get, but its low cashback rate, lack of sign-up bonuses, and high fees make it less competitive compared to the other options. So, for those looking to build credit, a secured credit card like the Discover It's Secured may be a better choice. This alternative offers higher cashback, no annual fee, and a cashback match at the end of the year. So you need to consider all the factors before choosing this card. It may seem it may serve a purpose for building credit, but there are other cards out there that provide more benefits and fewer fees. So thank you so much for watching.